Have you ever wondered what it takes to really make it in the world of Forex trading? It's not just about luck or some secret formula. Let me tell you a story about a guy named Alex. Alex wasn't some Wall Street prodigy. He was just a regular guy working a 9-to-5 job. He wasn't passionate about dreaming of financial freedom. He started his Forex journey just like many of us do, with a small account and a whole lot of enthusiasm. His first few months were a roller coaster. He'd win a little, then lose a lot. He almost gave up, thinking maybe it just wasn't for him. The charts seemed like a foreign language, and the market felt like a casino where the house always won. Frustration was setting in. But then something shifted. Instead of chasing quick profits, Alex decided to treat trading like a business. He stopped gambling and started learning. He spent his evenings and weekends devouring books on technical analysis, studying market psychology, and backtesting strategies. He learned that discipline was more important than genius, and managing risk was the key to survival. He developed a simple, rule-based strategy. He defined his entry and exit points, set strict stop losses, and never risked more than 1% of his capital on a single trade. Slowly but surely, consistency replaced chaos. Small, steady gains started to build up. He wasn't hitting home runs every day, but he was winning the long game. Years later, Alex is a full-time trader. He didn't get there overnight. It was a journey of patience, relentless education, and unbreakable discipline. His story isn't about getting rich quick. It's about the power of a solid plan and the mindset to stick with it, even when it's tough. It shows that with the right approach, anyone can change their financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.